like everyone does it. And it's kind of fun because they erase it like every day. And if you get here like super early in the morning, then you have like a spot and you don't have to write over people's names and stuff. So yeah, I thought I would share that with you guys. So what I do, I try to do that like every time we drop Kai off. And I feel like my shirt looks really weird because I have my bathing suit on underneath it. It's like a low cut one. But you know what? Yeah. What? So we just got out of Target and I got the wrong notebooks. If you watched, I think I'm gonna redo that video, but if I don't, the one, my back to school haul video, yeah, I realized that I had wide rule instead of college rule notebooks, and I write tiny, so wide rule's like huge for me, so definitely prefer college rule. So I got college rule notebooks. I got this one, which is Mind Matters, I think is what it says, yeah. And then I got another Anchor one. And then I got like another anchory, beachy, boaty one, kind of. So, so those are the ones that I got instead of the other stuff. If I don't change the video, then you guys get to see them anyway, but probably gonna redo it because the lighting was bad and stuff, so not sure yet. I haven't made up my mind, but definitely should go check that out because that vlog will be up before this vlog is up. And so we ran our errands and now we're heading to the beach, right? So yeah, gas station and then beach. But yeah, so it'll be fun. I brought my older camera so that we can vlog at the beach, and it's so sunny that it looks weird. But yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get there. So I'm just vlogging Kai surfing, I don't know. There's like some really big drop-ins and stuff, so I think that's kind of why he's struggling a little bit. They're like really big today. So we're down at the beach, and I mean, it's been raining for a little bit. I think it's finally starting to clear up, but we've just been sitting down like under the umbrella and chilling while Kyler was trying to surf.
Oh no. Are you gonna go back out?
Yeah. Go, 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 go. There he goes.
Nice, Kyler.
There he goes. So it cleared back up and we're like back. We're just chilling here for a while. Kai's surfing. He's doing really good actually. So we just got back from the beach and I just showered. That's why my hair's like soaked. But I'm going to like edit a little bit and chill. We're just gonna chill out because it was super hot today, and I think when it's so hot out, it's just like draining. So I'm just gonna edit a little bit and then maybe make dinner because we're doing pizza tonight. So right now, we've been home for a little bit. I edited my video, that's up, the Never Have I Ever challenge. And now I'm going to work on cooking some dinner, and we're just doing pizza. So I'm gonna throw in some toppings. I'm gonna do, for me, I'm gonna do pineapple jalapenos, and red peppers. And my brother's just gonna have, everyone except for my brother, he's just gonna have red peppers. And yeah. So guys, I just made dinner. I made pizzas. So this is the one for me, and that's Kyler's pizza right there, but apparently he doesn't want jalapenos on them.
So I like them like plain.
What do you want, Paul?
Well, then you can just throw them onto this pizza.
Okay.
That's the one with extra toppings.
You have these two cups?
But yeah, I got sunburn.
I did
Which
too.
one?
So I'm gonna start getting ready for bed. It is about, I don't know, 10:30ish, and I'm starting to get really tired quickly. So I'm like so sunburned. I don't think I'm gonna go to the beach tomorrow. But I like was under the shade the whole time and I'm still sunburned. I don't even know how that happens. But I'm gonna try to stay out of the sun tomorrow. And then Saturday we have something with lifeguard camp. Or not lifeguard camp, surfing kayak camp. And then we have this like luau thing. And then Friday, I'm trying to think. We're not really doing much. My aunt and uncle also come Saturday. And they stay till Monday. And then no one else we're doing this weekend. But it will be fun. I'm like just change. I already showered when we got home from the beach. And then I'm going to pull my contacts out, brush my teeth, and do all that stuff. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!